The Ministry of Health continues to have all hands on deck for the management of the deadly coronavirus. According to Chief Medical Officer Dr. Sharon Belmar-George, there has been a decline in overall cases and admission to the respiratory hospital, but the challenges are far from over. In fact, the CMO points out that some constituencies have had difficulty in managing COVID-19 cases.
The daily infection rate for the past week was 3.2 per 100,000 per day and an average of 6 cases per day. The majority of the cases continue to be seen in the southern region of the island and Babonneau and Gros Islet in the north.
The health officials cited an increase in social activities and poor compliance to established measures as the reason behind the continued spread of the virus. Recently, 19 nationals tested positive for the Alpha variant of the virus from the UK, which now brings the total number in country to 41.
We note the increase in social activities across the island, especially on weekends, and the general relaxation of the public health measures. We continue to advise the public to remain vigilant, adhere to the protocols that are put in place to keep us safe. These include regular hand washing, the use of a face mask in public places, avoiding crowds and persons with respiratory symptoms, and keeping frequently touched surfaces clean.
The Ministry of Health advises that vaccination remains the most effective public health measure to manage the infectious disease. Health officials continue to encourage members of the general public to get immunized.
The AstraZeneca vaccine has been proven to be safe and effective in protecting persons from developing COVID-19, its severe forms, complications, hospitalizations, and death. We continue to urge the public to access the various sites to get immunized at the soonest.
The Ministry of Health and Wellness continues to caution the general public against letting their guard down. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.